Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into an exciting topic that's sure to grab your attention, how AI can be a game changer when it comes to making money. Let's jump right into this intriguing discussion. Segment 1, Enhanced Decision Making. Did you know that AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to help you make smarter financial decisions? Whether it's investing in stocks or real estate, AI's predictive capabilities can offer insights that were once only available to experts. Segment 2, Algorithmic Trading. Imagine having a virtual assistant that monitors markets 24/7 and executes trades on your behalf. That's the power of algorithmic trading. AI can analyze market trends and execute trades at lightning speed, potentially maximizing your profits. Segment 3, Personal Finance Management. AI-powered apps and tools can revolutionize the way you manage your finances, from budgeting to expense tracking. These tools can offer personalized recommendations to help you save money and achieve your financial goals. Segment 4, E-commerce and Marketing. Running an online business? AI can optimize your marketing efforts by analyzing customer behavior and preferences. It can personalize product recommendations and even create targeted ad campaigns to boost your sales. Segment 5, Content Creation. Believe it or not, AI can help you generate content too. Whether it's articles, videos, or social media posts, AI tools can assist in creating engaging content, saving you time and potentially attracting more viewers and customers. Segment 6, Freelancing and Gig Economy. If you're into freelancing or the gig economy, AI platforms can connect you with opportunities that match your skills and preferences. These platforms can streamline the process of finding and securing projects. So, there you have it, folks. AI isn't just about sci-fi scenarios, it's about practical applications that can potentially boost your financial situation. As technology continues to advance, embracing AI tools could open up new doors for making money. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.